Ultamize. If you try to stop scrolling without replacing it, you will fail. Not because you're doing it wrong, because you've created a gap and your brain will try to fill it immediately. Scrolling isn't just a habit, it's a solution, a fast, easy solution to boredom, stress, waiting, discomfort. If you remove the solution without offering a better one, you'll go right back to it. That's why people cut back for a day or two and then return to the same old patterns because nothing replaced it. So the goal is simple. Don't remove scrolling, replace it. Action step number one, create a go to list right now. Make a short list of things you will do instead of scrolling. Not someday, not in theory, things you can do immediately. Examples, read a few pages of a book, step outside for a minute, take a short walk, write down one idea, think through a problem. Keep it simple, keep it realistic, and keep it accessible. Because if the replacement is too complicated, you won't use it. Action step number two, keep your replacement visible. Whatever you choose, make it easier than your phone. If you want to read, leave a book where you usually scroll. If you want to write, keep a small notepad nearby. If you want to think, create a space where you can pause. Visibility matters. If your replacement is out of sight, your phone will win. Action step number three, use micro replacements. This is important. You don't need to replace 30 minutes of scrolling. You need to replace 30 seconds. Start small. Instead of scrolling for 2 minutes, do something else for 30 seconds. That's it, because most scrolling starts in short bursts. Interrupt the beginning, and you reduce the total time. Action step number four, match the moment. Not all scrolling is the same. Sometimes you're bored, sometimes you're tired, sometimes you're avoiding something. So match your replacement to the moment. If you're bored, think or observe. If you're tired, rest briefly. If you're avoiding, take one small action. The closer the replacement matches the need, the more likely you'll use it. Action step number five, make scrolling less appealing. At the same time, reduce the appeal of scrolling. Move apps off your home screen. I've mentioned it before, I'm mentioning it again. Turn off notifications, create friction. Now your replacement becomes more attractive by comparison. Now, here's the shift. You're not removing something from your life, you're upgrading it. You're replacing passive consumption with intentional action, even if it's small, because scrolling fills time, but it doesn't give anything back. Your replacements, even simple ones, do. And over time, those small changes add up. Less scrolling, more thinking, more presence, more control. So don't try to eliminate the habit, just give yourself something better and make it easy to choose. That's how the behavior changes.